Hello, welcome to the Random Car Channel. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2016 Mercedes Benz GLA45. So I'm in the middle of doing a service B on the car, and part of service B is doing an oil change. Oil change is pretty straightforward, as with almost any other car out there. We're going to get under the car, drain the fluid, and just fill it back up. Alright, so let's get started. First step in oil change is getting the car up. I use quick jacks to get my car up. You can use a floor jack and jack stands to get your car up. Alright, so next is getting under the car and finding the drain plug. Alright, so getting down under here. So we got the exhaust pipe down the middle here, and towards the passenger side you can see the bottom of the oil pan here and the drain plug. As you can see, there's an underbody panel in the way. So first step down here is to get the body panel out of the way here. Okay, so to get this underbody panel out, there are 3 screws you gotta remove, 8mm screws. One here, that one right there, and then there's one back in the corner there. Alright, so remove these bolts. Alright, so the whole panel drops down. So now you have access to your drain pan and plug. Alright, so next step, let's drain. You got yourself a drain pan and remove this with a 13mm socket. Okay, so while the oil is draining under the car, we're going to change the oil filter. So if you look in the engine bay and go towards the back of the engine bay, you'll see the oil filter housing right there, this black plastic cap. So we'll want to get in there and remove that and get to the filter. Okay, so to remove that, I have a 1 1/16 inch socket. I think that's roughly 27mm. I do not have a 27mm, so this works anyway. So drop the ratchet in and remove the cap. Here's the old oil filter. It's made in Germany by Hengst. Swap out the filter. Okay, so also don't forget to change out this O-ring here. Okay, so new filter, new O-ring. Reinstall. Okay, filter reinstalled. I had to use a wrench. I'm not strong enough to hand tighten it tight enough. As you can see on top of the cap, 25 Newton meters is the torque spec. So 25 Newton meters is about a little over 15 foot-pounds, which is not much. So basically you want to just tighten enough to just kind of seat in the housing. Okay, so finish with the filter change. The oil is pretty much drained. I'm going to go ahead and just cap it and fill it up. Don't forget to use a new crush washer and reinstall the bolt. Reinstall the drain plug. Alright, next toss the underbody cover back on. All drained. New plug is installed. Now we just add oil. Okay, we're on the top side. We're going to add oil now. Use whatever oil Mercedes Benz approves and you like. Somewhere there's a sticker that says Mobile 1. Today I have some Motul on hand, so I'll use this stuff. Who knows, this might be approved for this car, but it's hard to keep track. So let's go ahead and add some oil. That took a full 5 quarts just to get to the bottom of this, the dipstick. I'll go ahead, close it up, cap it off, start the engine, get the oil into the oil filter and all that, and then check again. And most likely I'll probably have to add another, at least half a quart, maybe a quart. Alright, so after running the engine, I added about almost another quart, so almost 6 quarts of oil to top it off, and that's it. The car is done with the oil change. So that was an oil change for a GLA45. Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and put any questions in the comment section below, and good luck on your next project.